Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Boone County in north-central Arkansas until 11 p.m. At 10:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carrollton, or 12 miles northwest of Harrison, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Diamond City, Lead Hill, Omaha, Myrtle, Robertson Hollow, South, Willers, Opana, Crumpler Subdivision, South Lead Hill, Bear Creek Springs, New Hope in Boone County, Hopewell in Boone County, Ridgeway, Burlington, Bull Shoals Lake.